Hello everyone, welcome. Today I'll show you how to deploy this simple Express.js application, Hello World application to Heroku and allow other people and other users to access it. In this case, it's a Hello World app, but you can use this same process to deploy other Node.js or Express applications to the web very easily and very fast. So the first thing obviously to do is go to Heroku and then register, sign up, boom. You need to type in your first name. I'll type Jimmy, that's not my name, but you know, you feel me. Last name, don't matter, right? Email. I'll be using this temporary email because I don't want to leak my own email, even though it's probably leaked already somewhere. Role, whatever your role is in life, you can choose it right here. I'll say I'm a hobbyist. I'm not, but your country and then your language of the projects you will be developing with. You don't have to specify for all of them here, but the one you'll be using most of the time. I'll be using Node.js for this example, so we'll select that. Create the account and boom. This will send an email to your email. That's kind of a weird sentence, and you can then confirm your account. So let's go to our temporary email and wait for the email to arrive. Hello there. The email has arrived. Let's open the email and confirm our Heroku account. Let's select a password, and let's just let Google Chrome suggest us a strong, real good password, right? We're done with that, and afterwards we can click here to proceed to our actual account. And boom, now we have an account. Now we can create applications and create teams and get help and stuff like that. We don't really need to use website anymore though. Now we can just switch to the VS Code. So right here, I have you can find all this code in the description. It's just a simple index.js, only having Express installed. The two main things about your application that you need to keep in mind are that you need to have a start script that will start your application, because that is what Heroku will try. It will try to run npm start to start your application after setting it up on the web. And if you are using an Express app, it is important to have a port, because process environment port or the port provided, because sometimes you will provide a port from the environment variables and it will need to know that port to bind the application to the Heroku process, like your application to the Heroku app, as into the Heroku process. So this line of code this part of the code is important, and this is important. Other than that, everything else you can change and do as you like. So the first thing you need is to initialize a repository. To do that, we will do git init. This will initialize the repository. If you already have a repository, you can skip this and the following step. Afterwards, you need to commit all of your things. So git add dot, it will commit all the files. So this will stage all the changes, and then we commit the changes. Git commit -m initial, and boom, we committed all the files to the local master branch. If you already have everything in master and you already have this like a clone repo and stuff, you can skip these first two steps. The next thing we need to do is log in into Heroku. So we can do Heroku login. Also, to actually log in, you will need to install the Heroku CLI. You can look more into that. Heroku CLI. If you just Google Heroku CLI, and then you can do sudo npm install Heroku, or on Windows you can just go to this thing and then download. Oh well, not to that thing. Or on Windows you can just click one of these two and install it. You have examples and instructions on how to install it on every other thing. So anyway, after typing Heroku login and pressing any key besides Q, this page will pop up. It will ask you to log in. You will click login and you will log in. If you are logged in on the website, it will automatically log in, and you are done with this bit of the process. The next thing to do is go back to here, and it will tell you, oh, you're logged in, blah, blah, blah. The next thing to do is create a Heroku application. So you can say Heroku create. This will create the application and give you a link to it after you deploy something. Afterwards, the last thing to do is push all of your code from your local master branch to the Heroku application. So to do that, you do git push Heroku master. This will push all the code, and then it will install everything and deploy, build the app, and you will be able to access it via the link that was there above. Let's give it a few more seconds to finish everything. See, and it even gives you a link to open that. So you can click this and then open it, and we can get hello world, and that's it. Our application now exists on the internet. Anyone can access this link and do whatever You can create complicated schemes, you can create a login system, you can deploy pages, you can do whatever you like. That's it. Thank you for watching. Hope you learned something new and know how to work with Heroku now and do all of the things. If you refresh the apps page, by the way, you will have a list of all of your apps here. I think you have a limit of 10 applications that you can run for free, which is a very large limit, and you can test out and do a lot of cool things. For more info, you can check out their documentation on deploying command lines and all the other stuff. And hopefully you know how to work with all this now. Thank you for watching and goodbye.